Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be pranking my dad. My dad thinks that we are going to be doing a drive with me kind of video and answering your guys' questions. We're doing the honk at me prank, or whatever they call it. We have the sign, it says honk, and then it says it's for a prank. So this is what the back of our car looks like. So hopefully he falls for it. I mean, at least for a little bit. He's actually in the front room right now, just hanging out with the dogs, and he's on his phone, I think, too. I don't really know, but what I do know is we're gonna try and prank him. Comment down below if you think he's gonna fall for it. Well, you guys are gonna hear the normal intro for the drive with me video or whatever, but just know that it's not really a drive with me, it's a prank on my dad. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing a drive with me Q&A kind of video. So I have a list of questions here, and I'm going to be asking my parents these questions while we're driving. Before we get started, make sure you like.
Ooh. I'm just looking at the clouds. Skyla.
Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video just like this one. Alright, first question. What is your favorite season?
Fall.
Fall? What about you, Mom?
I like fall too. Pumpkin spice and everything nice.
I'd probably say either spring or summer. What is your zodiac sign?
Taurus.
Sagittarius.
Sagittarius. Who is your favorite artist?
Miles Kennedy.
Yeah, I agree.
My favorite singer is Charlie Puth. Who is your favorite band?
Faith in the Fallen.
If you don't know, that's my dad's band. Faith in the Fallen.
Faith in the Fallen.
So my favorite band would probably be the Jonas Brothers. Nike or Adidas?
Let's look and see what shoes I have.
Converse.
Yeah, Chucks.
Say Nike.
I don't have a preference.
If I had to pick between the two, I think I would pick Nike.
Okay. What is your favorite song right now?
Strawberry Wine.
Is that by?
Dina Carter. It's an old, that's a song that I used to like long time ago, but lately I've been playing it.
I don't have a favorite song right now.
I would probably say my favorite song is Never Really Over by Katy Perry. What is your favorite color?
Black. Gray. Why are people beeping?
I say black.
You put something on the back of the car?
No.
Huh. What's on the back of the car?
Nothing. I don't know. What are you talking about?
They're taking a picture of it. And somebody else beeped on the road.
They did?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You guys are horrible liars.
Oh my gosh.
Huh.
You don't fall for anything.
What? You think I was gonna just fall for it?
No. How you get mad at some people?
What does it say?
It just says honk.
Just says honk.
It says honk, it's for a prank. Okay, so we just got home. We actually went out to eat. So I didn't get my dad, as you saw. He actually found out really quickly because the person behind us was actually taking a picture of the car, so he kind of connected those dots. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video just like this one. And comment down below if you've ever pranked your parents and has it worked. And until next time.
we run away to get us out.